How do we find the points that are inside this curve? First, let us go to the Curve tab, and under Analysis, we're going to find Point in Curve. Drag and drop this one. Let us put it over here. Do we have the points? No. So Params, Points, right click, Multiple Points, and we're going to select all these points. How many? We have around 23. Which curve do you want to use? I want to use this curve, the purple one, and we connect it over here. So let's see what it says. If the value, the output is equal to 0, that means that point is outside. If the value is equal to 1, that means that point is on top of the curve. And if the value is equal to 2, that means those points are inside. So we can get what we just learned, one expression. We put it over here. We change the variable to x, and we're going to use only one variable. And we connect the output over here. Let us double click and find out if x is equal to 1. Let's set this one to 1. If it is not, let's set it to 0. Hit OK. And the result is going to be, let us view the result over here. Over here. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. How about if double click, if we change this one to greater than 1 or equals to 2, whichever you want to do. Let us set it to equal to 2. That means all the points inside. Let's see. Get a panel. And now we have all these points. So we can get and dispatch, select all the points and use this output over here to get only the points that are inside. And we can add a circle to all those points. There you go. If I move, for example, if I move this point inside, the pointing curve will know that that point is inside this region. So one more time, curve, analysis, point in curve.